Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe for latest notifications so that you will never miss my any video. The education sector has been badly affected since the pandemic has taken place. Aspirants from government jobs preparing for SSC Railway are waiting for the result for first or second round. College and schools have turned themselves to online teaching, but yet the biggest question arises here is that the ICSE and CBSE school 10 plus 2 candidates who are going to appear for the 2021 batch are yet not decided. So the biggest question arises over here is that what the government is planning for them and how government sector will be taken on the future basis. These are some of the questions from the Students' Corner which should be highlighted and put it into the actions immediately. Now let us drive through the data that what are students prepared or not prepared to give the exam for the future basis. So if we figure out the data, we'll find that as many 87.1% of the students said they are not in a mindset to appear for physical or online exam, even if the government relaxes after lockdown, while 93.5% did not want exam to be conducted during pandemic. 92.9% said their parents will not send them. 96% is not safe to travel from public transport. There is a lot of uncertainty among the student on how to face with the situation, where 36.3% is not having their personal computer, whereas 44.5% is not having a good Wi-Fi connection. So here the question arises that how the exams will be conducted for the future basis. As for the record, it has been shown that PG and UG internal assessment marks can promote them for the next level. First and the second year students should be rated accordingly by internal assessment, and the last year student, including 10 plus 2 student, concerned to decide making for comfortable for online exam or offline exam depending upon the code of conduct related to safety, hygiene and the approval by the state government and central government, so that the flow of study should not be stopped and it should be in the right track. Now another question arises here that do the children are prepared to give the exam and how much they are learning online. Teachers from the school corner should make an environment to complete the syllabus and make a regular flow and touch as same as before. Parents should have a look for their children education when it comes to online, private coaching, digital learning, and to keep them engaged with the university and keep in touch to maintain the discipline related to all study matters for the future. As we hope for the future that the education system will recover slowly and the student and aspirant will give their exam on time. So that's all for today. If you like my channel, do share, subscribe and do not forget to comment below. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.